This video is for people that are looking for a service bureau, a 3D printing provider that does scanning, design, and building. I'm going to tell you why we're one of the best. At Objects Unlimited, we're a value-added service bureau. That means we don't just take your parts and hit file, print. One example would be for 3D scans for figurines. Lots of ways to scan, but we could never find one that met our needs, and so we built one. This is our Cobra 3D scanning booth, 128 cameras. They all fire at the same millisecond. We have proper lighting control. That gives us the best input to get the best output. If you have a good input file for 3D printing, then there's three things that result in a really high quality output. One is equipment, one is expertise, and the third is passion and level of care. At Objects Unlimited, we tend to push the envelope, and we have equipment that very few other people have. For example, come and take a look at our Mimaki production room. Objects Unlimited was one of the first companies in Canada to purchase Mimaki full-color 3D printers. We're so glad we did. This opened up our capabilities and gives us the ability to make parts other people can't make. Phenomenal machines and a great example of why Objects is different. Mimaki! 3D printing technology is constantly changing, and we have to be on top of it. We are always upgrading our fleet and adding new machines to make the best parts possible for our customers. A couple years ago, we couldn't make full-color plastic, but now we have the Mimaki machines. A couple weeks ago, we couldn't make very large-scale FDM parts. Now we have a Titan EXT 800. And continuing ongoing innovation is super important to Objects Unlimited, and something we will always keep top of mind. Most parts require a lot more effort than just hitting print. And as you can see, we have production artists who put the time and the effort in to make the best possible finished product. There's lots of different 3D printers, lots of different 3D printing technologies, lots of different materials. Our job is to help you understand what the options are so we can make the best possible part for you. What's really important for good output is good input, and it all starts with the design. At Objects Unlimited, we have experienced designers on staff who have spent years learning on how to design for proper 3D printing results. That expertise is available to you. We've been running color jet printing since 2011. This is one of the first Project 2500s that was ever shipped to Canada. We've been running this machine for 8 years. We like to experiment. How do you know until you try? How strong is this 3D printed chair? Guess it's pretty strong. You're never gonna know until you try. Is this apple gonna break? Guess not. You gotta try new things. One of the first things we train people on when they come here is that parts break, and sometimes you gotta try it. In 3D printing, two things count. One is accuracy, one is aesthetics. If we're going for accuracy and detail, we use one type of machine. If we're going for beautiful look and feel, we use a different type of machine. We have that diversity of equipment and talent here at Objects Unlimited. As part of our design services, we also offer 3D scanning using some of the best equipment on the market. Sometimes you need more tools than just 3D printers. We have a laser cutter, we have a paint booth, we have grinders, we have sanders, we have polishing machines, we have finishing equipment, all designed to make the best possible part. Objects Unlimited is a value-added service provider. We're here to help on design, production, finishing, and making you the best parts possible. Give us a call or visit our website for more information.